This is the name of the fish, green humphead parrotfish. This is the largest species of parrotfish. Larger parrotfish species can take small chunks out of the reef, removing algae and the occasional piece of coral. Parrotfish play a complex role in our important coral reef ecosystems. Many species of parrotfish can change both gender and color. The parrotfish's digestive system, which includes more teeth inside their throats, breaks down coral bits into the white sands that make South Pacific beaches famous. They are collectively named for their bright parrot-like colors and bird-like beak.